Hey babes, I got my hair done. I just wanted to show the bundles. These bundles last forever. I've had these since last year I got them in like August, I think. And I got them reinstalled like all year long. And I got them re-put in. Well, yeah, I got them re-put in today. And girl, these last a while. I love their bundles. They're really worth it. Like, if you want me to put you onto the brand, I'm actually a brand ambassador for them, and it's Bratz Bundles. They're so cute. I'm gonna roll them up tonight so the curls can come back, because they fell because it was raining today, of course. But I'm gonna put them back, and I'm probably gonna watch a YouTube video. Crazy that I'm talking about I'm gonna watch YouTube, but I do watch YouTube. YouTubers do watch YouTube, but I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on how to re-roll my hair so that I can get the curls back, and I'm gonna show you guys when I do it too. Just gotta curl a little bit. Which I should have figured that. I started using some bobby pins, as you can see, to help like keep it in place because they kept like trying to fall out. So I was like, let me just add some bobby pins in there. I had to do them multiple times, but as you can see, they started getting better every time I did it a better way. Like, they look so cute even in the rollers. I went over them again on some of the ones that kept falling because I wanted to make sure they're even. I didn't want them to be uneven. Okay, I'm doing better with this nail. All done. Behind the scenes, it took me like literally like 20 minutes to do this whole video. But I definitely recommend the way I rolled it, and you'll definitely like the results. It came out so cute. Let me know if I should do another video like this. See you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.